The basket weave stitch is incredibly easy and fast to knit. It's perfect for the beginner knitter. It comprises 2 stitches, the purl and the knit stitch. This pattern is extremely thick and it just looks divine. Cast on in multiples of 8. Here I've got 24 for the pattern and the 2 extra stitches. This is an 8-row pattern and it's very, very simple. I hope you enjoy it. Row 1, which is your wrong side, purl 2, purl 1, purl 2. Then you take your wool to the back and knit 6. 1, knit 2, knit 3, knit 4, knit 5, knit 6, and that completes your pattern. And now you repeat. Row number 2, this is your right side, knit 2. You can follow what you need to knit because you can see from the previous row. So we knit 2, knit 1, knit 2, yarn over, purl 6, purl 1, purl 2, purl 3, purl 4, purl 5, purl 6, and that completes our pattern for row 2. Repeat it to the end. Row 3 is the same as row 1. Purl 2, purl 1, purl 2, yarn over to the back and we knit 6, knit 1, knit 2, knit 3, knit 4, knit 5, knit 6, row 4, knit all the way to the end. Row 5, start with knit 4, knit 1, knit 2, knit 3, knit 4, yarn to the front and purl 2, purl 1, purl 2, and now we start our pattern. Knit 6, knit 1, knit 2, knit 3, knit 4, knit 5, knit 6, yarn to the front, purl 2, purl 1, purl 2. Row number 6, start with 4 purl, purl 1, purl 2, purl 3, purl 4, yarn over into the back, knit 2, knit 1, knit 2. And now we start our pattern. Yarn to the front, purl 6, purl 1, purl 2, purl 3, purl 4, purl 5, purl 6, yarn over and to the back, knit 2, knit 1, knit 2. Row 7 is the same as row 5. Start with knit 4, knit 1, knit 2, knit 3, knit 4, yarn to the front and purl 2, purl 1, purl 2, yarn over and to the back. Now we start our pattern. Knit 6, knit 1, knit 2, knit 3, knit 4, knit 5, knit 6, yarn over and to the front, purl 2, purl 1, purl 2. And that completes the pattern for row 5 and row 7, and now you repeat. Our final row, row 8, is a knit row. Knit all the way to the end. Basket weave stitch is a beautiful stitch and a very easy one for the beginner knitter. It's perfect for any knitting project.